Yes, let's make some homemade sourdough pasta. I'm super excited to show you what I've been working on lately. I love sourdough, so here we go. Let's make some homemade pasta. So first we're going to start by whipping up the eggs with some salt. You can do that right in your KitchenAid mixer stand if you'd like, or you could do it in a separate bowl like I'm showing here. I'm just getting them whipped up real good. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the remaining ingredients, which is just basically active sourdough starter and your flour. So here's the KitchenAid as it first starts mixing it. Now it's getting better. It's looking good. It's almost done. We're going to pull it out. We're going to let it sit and ferment overnight. The next morning we're going to break it up into 4 different sections. Then we're going to kind of just break those up in a little bit smaller. Sometimes it's easier to run it through your pasta machine like that. Slightly flatten them out, and then we're going to go ahead and roll them through the pasta roller, just like your directions say, either from my printout from my Marcato one that I used, or your pasta roller machine as well. So here's the noodles as they're got cut, and now they're going in the water. Super quick and easy to boil them. It's only 3 minutes. Oh, doesn't that look so good? Oh my gosh. So work in small batches, and then you're going to bring them out into a colander and let drain. And then this is a great time to make the spaghetti sauce as well, or already have that pre-made so that you can go ahead and mix up whatever spaghetti sauce. You can use my 15-minute spaghetti sauce, which was absolutely delicious with these pasta sourdough noodles. So I'm really excited for you guys to go ahead and try these. It's a bit of a project. It makes your kitchen really messy and floury, but it is entirely worth it. Plus, pair it up with my delicious sourdough breadstick recipe. They are a perfect complement to this. Add in a good old side of vegetables, and you have yourself a perfect meal. Enjoy!